Are you ready for a smartwatch that doesn't just tell time but redefines it? Meet the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, built to push your limits and redefine performance. With up to 100 hours of battery life, this is the marathon runner of smartwatches. Powered by a cutting-edge 3nm processor, unleashing blazing fast performance. At the heart of this revolutionary device lies a state-of-the-art 3nm processor, engineered to redefine the boundaries of speed and efficiency. This advanced chip architecture not only enhances computational power but also optimizes energy consumption, allowing for longer battery life without compromising performance. Whether you're multitasking between demanding applications, streaming high-definition content, or engaging in resource-intensive gaming, the 3nm processor ensures that every action is executed with lightning speed and seamless responsiveness. Experience the future of technology as you navigate through tasks effortlessly, with the confidence that your device can handle whatever you throw at it. Explore like never before, dual GPS precision and rugged titanium design with sapphire glass. Embark on your adventures with unparalleled confidence, thanks to the innovative dual GPS precision technology integrated into this device. This feature provides enhanced location accuracy, ensuring that you can navigate even the most challenging terrains with ease. Whether you're hiking through dense forests, traversing urban landscapes, or exploring remote areas, the dual GPS system guarantees that you stay on track, no matter where your journey takes you. Moreover, the rugged titanium design offers not only a striking aesthetic but also exceptional durability. Engineered to withstand the rigors of daily life, this device is built to endure drops, impacts, and harsh environmental conditions. Coupled with the scratch-resistant sapphire glass, your screen remains pristine and clear, even in the most demanding situations. This combination of advanced materials ensures that your device is not just a tool, but a reliable companion that can keep up with your adventurous spirit. With these cutting-edge features, you can explore the world like never before, confident in the knowledge that your device is equipped to handle every challenge you encounter. Whether you're navigating through the wilderness or simply enjoying a day out in the city, this device empowers you to push boundaries and discover new horizons. Packed with life-saving tech like BP and ECG monitoring, and it even calculates your energy score and biological age. This isn't just a watch, it's your adventure buddy. From tracking your fitness goals to guiding you through uncharted terrains with 10 ATM water resistance and IP68 certification, this watch does it all. All this at just price 48,299. With features that no competitor offers, it's the deal you don't want to miss. Click the link in the description to grab yours today. Stock is limited, so don't wait. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to Rajeshwari Deals for more exclusive offers like this.